Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ask Emirates NBD, live from our Meydan offices. So before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Tala Disi, and I'm from the marketing department at Emirates NBD. With me today is Hilal Baltali. He's from the multi-channel team. We have Anastasia Preba from the digital team and Amrut Sugant from the cybersecurity team. So today we are excited to tell you about a new service that we're launching, which is chat banking via WhatsApp. So chat banking via WhatsApp, as you all know, WhatsApp is the most popular communication platform with over 1 billion users every single day. So throughout this session, we have dedicated this session just for talking about this topic. So if you have any concerns, any queries, suggestions, please drop them in the comments section and we'll attend to them in this session. If you have any complaints regarding any other topic, we are going to be contacting our social media team and they will get in touch with you soon. So before we start, actually, Anna, this question goes to you. So why are we introducing chat banking?
Okay, thank you, Tala. As rightly said, WhatsApp is the most popular application in the world. And with Emirates NBD being at the forefront of innovation, we are always looking for new technology solutions to enhance customer experience.
Right.
Offering banking services on WhatsApp, we are interacting with our customers on a channel of their preference in a very easy and convenient way. So while you are still chatting with your friends and family, you can conduct your daily banking needs on the go.
Nice. Yeah. And Hilal, can you tell us a little bit more about chat banking via WhatsApp?
Emirates NBD chat banking via WhatsApp is our new, secure, easy to use, chat-based channel, our new platform where our customers can perform basic financial transactions on the go, as Anastasia said. It's a chat-based banking platform where our customers easily can request some basic banking needs or check their balances and some limited feature set for the launch.
So what are the different features that a person can do on WhatsApp?
Okay, let me brief you. Customers can check their account balances, all their current and saving accounts. They can check their last 5 transactions for their accounts and credit cards. They can check their last statement balance for their credit cards. They can request a checkbook, or they can check top 10 FX rates easily. These all queries will get an instant response on WhatsApp from our business official account.
So instantly, you just need to send in the codes and then you receive the message.
Exactly. There are some keywords they need to type and we will respond them instantly.
Okay. So Amrut, what about WhatsApp? Is it chargeable? Because we know now that WhatsApp is not chargeable. We can talk to our friends and family all over the world.
Yes.
So what about the service?
Of course, we as Emirates NBD always in the forefront. It's not chargeable, and it's just a new way to interact with Emirates NBD.
Okay. And Anna, how can customers register to the service?
To register to WhatsApp, you need to send WhatsApp to 4456.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's all you have to do? It's just a WhatsApp message, a text message,
Actually. Exactly.
Then our customers will receive the first message from our official business account on WhatsApp. Once they send this WhatsApp message to 4456, we will reply them on WhatsApp itself with the welcome
directly,
message.
it just appears as soon as you send the message.
Exactly.
Okay, so everything is super fast with WhatsApp. So that's great. So can you tell us a little bit more about how it actually works?
Once you subscribe to WhatsApp, we are offering the services already explained by Halil, and you will be able to avail them by typing in specific keywords. So these keywords will then trigger a response back. But we should show how it works, so to understand. Yes.
Okay, let's run a demo.
So through this demo, actually, we're just going to be showing customers or our viewers today exactly how to opt in for WhatsApp and what are the different services.
Exactly. But before coming that point, I would like to share with our customers that they need to be our customers, Emirates NBD customers, with an active account or credit card to start using our new service, our new channel. And also their mobile number needs to be the same one on WhatsApp, which is registered also with Emirates MBD. If they are using a different mobile number for their WhatsApp account, they can so they cannot subscribe Emirates MBD chat banking via WhatsApp.
Okay, so we need to be mindful that we should use a registered mobile number in order to opt in for the WhatsApp service.
Exactly.
And then this is how it works.
Exactly.
Okay, great.
So
let's just see the demo.
let's walk
Perhaps we
through
can.
or
And-
end-to-end the journey.
Yes,
So I heard
for sure.
about WhatsApp chat banking via WhatsApp, and I go to my messages. I type 4456.
So this is in your text messages. You just type in
Yes.
4456 and you type in WhatsApp as the code.
Mm-hmm.
And then as soon as you do that, in a couple of minutes, probably the WhatsApp service is going to be available on your WhatsApp app.
Yes. So I sent this SMS.
So
And-
we'd just like to remind you that if you have any more questions, please drop them in the comment box and we'll attend to them as we go through.
And here also, I believe it will be good to add that WhatsApp services, chat banking services are today available for our individual customers, not for our corporate
Company
customers
accounts.
yet.
Okay. So also WhatsApp banking is only available in English for now.
For the
right?
moment, it's also only in English. It will not respond to Arabic or any other language.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Here we go.
So this is the
We-
first message that you receive.
Exactly. You receive directly from Emirates MBD business account with a welcome message. It says that it's first of all we give an info that we never ask our customers' personal information, their account or card numbers or their password, username, nothing personal. We just give some instant responses for certain transactions. Security is always important for us. That's why we
Yeah.
give them this brief information in the first place. So, as said in the message, I type info to know what I can perform on WhatsApp.
Yeah. And actually, just to know that this is the official Emirates NBD account, so we see the green tick right next to the name. So if you have the number of Emirates NBD saved, it will just directly appear, correct?
Exactly.
Actually, you don't
Yeah.
even need.
To
Oh,
You
really?
don't even need to save this number.
Oh, this actually saves a lot of hassle because a lot of
Absolutely.
times you have to save numbers, so this is great.
we will
Okay.
come that point later. But
Yes.
the message directly comes from our call center number, 600 540000,
Which is the
and
official
with
number.
The Emirates MBD naming itself in there with a green badge.
Okay.
And we will explain all these points later on. So I would like to take you back to our demo. So I type in info message and I receive the response that says what I can do in WhatsApp banking. So
All of the different services and all
account
of
balance,
the
last
different...
5 transactions of account and credit cards, and how to inquire my last credit card statement, and temporary blocking my debit card or credit card, all these things. So let me show you how I can check my account balances. I type balance and I send the message. Okay, I'm having our test account actually. We are using
Yeah.
test account at the moment. That's why we might receive some delay on the responses.
Yeah.
But I am having only one account, which is current account ending with 4301, and I'm having that much amount of balance in my account. So let's see how I can check my last 5 transactions from this account. I type 2 and
To receive more instructions.
exactly. So to be able to get my last 5 transactions, so I need to type account transaction and last 4 digits of my account.
Okay.
So let's perform this also.
So we just follow the steps that are included in the text message and then we receive.
Exactly. This is just to give you the introduction. In the next time when you come back to the WhatsApp page of our account, you can just type account transaction and your last 4 digits of your card. You don't need to do every time 1, 2, 3 inquiries to learn how to perform this transaction.
So this is great actually because instead of going to mobile banking, putting in your password every single time, you can just perform these services on WhatsApp and get the same responses.
Absolutely.
Here we go.
So just want to remind you, if you have any questions about the demo that's going on, please send in your questions. We're happy to take them forward. We're happy with my colleagues right here. We're happy to attend to them. Okay.
So these are our last 5 transactions for the account, and we give the descriptions and the amount, date, and total balance in your account for your last 5 transactions.
Okay. I actually have a question. Do you need to be an Emirates NBD account holder to actually use WhatsApp banking? What if I just have a credit card?
You can still use.
We can still use
You
it.
can
Okay,
still,
great.
subscribe WhatsApp banking services, so it's fine.
Okay.
But of course, you will get a proper message when you want to check something related with your current or saving account, because you don't have. You can only perform
So it's
credit card
customized.
related transactions.
Yeah.
So I will pass you to show the next steps for, let's say, by speaking of credit card related transactions, how to perform.
Thank
I
you,
think a
Halil.
lot of people will find this actually very useful because it's super easy. Everyone's on WhatsApp all day, so that's great.
No, absolutely. So Halil, he just recalled the last 5 transactions of the account. So we see like basic information of the date. We see the outstanding balance. We see the transaction amount, and also the description of what the transaction was about. So similar to account transactions, I can also call my credit card transactions.
So actually we have a question from Baba Tunde from Instagram. He's asking, how do we activate WhatsApp chat banking?
How do we activate? To activate WhatsApp banking, we need to send a WhatsApp, the word WhatsApp, to 4456.
As a text message.
As
right?
a text.
As a text message
Yeah.
before you actually get onto the actual
WhatsApp chat.
WhatsApp chat.
Yeah. And this text message will then trigger a welcome message on WhatsApp, and that's where the journey starts.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was calling my last 5 credit card transactions. So I type in the keyword and the last 4 digits of my credit card, which is the testicle.
I think you made a typo.
God. Yeah.
You write the last.
That's-
That's okay. You get an answer back from WhatsApp telling you typed it wrong, so you just need to enter it again.
Exactly. So apparently the WhatsApp cannot find a credit card under my numbers. So this is what the
It could be
the
because
response.
you don't have a credit card, for example, with Emirates NBD and such.
No, this is because I typed in my last 4 digits wrongly. So it's not 3616, it's 3619.
9. See, I know your credit card number.
That's dangerous. So another question from LinkedIn from Shaib Surya. How is this secured? So if someone has phone WhatsApp and your fingerprint, so how does that usually work? I
Yeah.
think you are the best person to answer the question coming
Well,
from
yes,
the cybersecurity team.
Absolutely. I think we'll go through a full demo around this, but just the
Yes.
short answer is there is 2-step validation. There is 2-step verification rather in WhatsApp, which you can enable. And of course, there are some good mobile security tips which you need
Yeah.
to keep in mind. Lock your phone and whatnot. But we'll get to that. I think we have a full demo around how secure this is. And what you need to do, apart from the initial text message, WhatsApp message that you get, which tells you these are the key security things that you need to keep in mind. Plus, of course, Emirates NBD will never, I want to reiterate, ask you for your password, PIN, CVV, card number. See, even when Anastasia did the transaction, or rather requested for a transaction, she just typed the last 4-digit number,
So
not
it's
the whole card
full
number.
details.
Right, so these are the security features we have put in place. I think we'll show you a good demo by the end of this.
Actually, that's a great question because us as well, we're very hesitant when we want to put our details anywhere on social media, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, wherever it is. So actually, that's a great question. So thank you so much for sending that. Another question is, how can I identify Emirates NBD WhatsApp banking? So we said through the green tick, but is there anything else we should probably look for?
Yeah. I think we can go through the let's look at the demo right now.
Okay.
I think that's the key question, right? Security is always in everybody's mind. So as you can see on the top of the screen, there is Emirates NBD written there with a logo there, and there's a green tick right at the top.
So we should always watch out for that green tick.
This is the most important thing, right? If there is no green tick, this is not Emirates NBD WhatsApp account.
Right.
So just for the demo, we have added. So how does WhatsApp know this is Emirates NBD or any user that you're chatting with, right? It's all based on contacts. The minute you save somebody's number, like if I save Halil's number in my contacts, WhatsApp picks it up and then shows you as Halil, right? And so now you start chatting. Now imagine I saved this somebody's number, or somebody has victimized my phone, saved his number or her number as Emirates NBD. What happens? So which is why we have done that. We have just created a fake number, added Emirates NBD as the name there, and as you can see on your screen, we are seeing two Emirates NBDs, right? Let's see which one is the genuine one. Let me go in the first one, and just for demo's sake, we have also sent the same SMS, same WhatsApp message that you would get from Emirates NBD to make it look genuine. But as you can see at the top, it's written Emirates NBD, but no green tick, right? Okay. Let me go inside to see the details. As you can see, the number is not 600 540000. It's some random mobile number, and it's written official Emirates NBD account. Anybody could do that,
so
right?
So what should I do in this case?
Just delete that contact. And of course, if this is there in your phone, probably your phone has been victimized, right? So get it checked, get your phone checked.
The most important thing is to delete the actual number, not just the WhatsApp chat.
Yeah, delete that number from your contacts. Delete that Emirates NBD name from your contacts. Now, the best part about this is, even if you don't have our contact center number, let me just get in there. So as you can see, there's a green tick. And as you can see, the number is 600 540000. This number is not saved in my contacts. The minute I registered for WhatsApp, this automatically got added as Emirates NBD contact. So it's not showing you a number, it's showing you our name, and it shows a green tick, and it says official business account. So you need to watch out for these kind of parameters when you add when you try doing chat banking with Emirates NBD.
Right.
These are some very cool security features which we have put in place, which can't be just replicated just like that, right? So that's our. The other piece is, of course, never. Let me reiterate: type your full card numbers, your passwords, your pins on any chat, be it with Emirates NBD or be it with anybody else, right? That's security 101. Never give out your password, credit card number, CVV, PIN to anybody. Nobody needs it.
Yeah. So
right? And if somebody is asking for it, they're fraudsters.
Yeah. And otherwise on this chat, everything else is secure because you're just putting the last 4 digits of your card number
and
or account
this
details.
Chat is end-to-end secure, right? As you know, WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption between the user and the recipient. So there is nobody in between who can read those messages. Of course, the people who have the keys, we do, and which is why we are able to read that particular chat which is with us.
Yeah.
Right? So rest assured, we can't read any other chat of yours.
Okay, so guys, you're safe. No worries.
And I want to add some points that for the how to identify the official business account.
Yeah.
As you say, this green badge, also there are some other hints that, like, it says official business account. That's the sign that this is an official business account, and you click it, you can get and learn more information about it. And also here, you can see the business details. This is what we place here, our website, our address, and our number, everything is here.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's something I missed to highlight, but these are key features, yes.
Yeah. So let's take some questions from the viewers. From Magic Mobile Qatif from Instagram is asking, is the service available in Saudi Arabia also?
Right now, only in UAE.
Only in the UAE.
Unless the gentleman has a number and has an account with Emirates NBD in the UAE, he can of course, avail the services in Saudi.
So as long as the account was opened in the UAE, then you could use WhatsApp banking.
Exactly.
Great.
Yeah.
So another question is from Murha from LinkedIn. I'm wondering about the security of this feature, having in mind SMS sending providers that allows sending SMSs by different senders.
Right. So I think this good question, simple but good. Typically when you now all the phones have 2 SIMs, right? Even iPhone has come out with 2 SIMs.
Yeah.
So yes, like Khalil mentioned in the beginning, it's very important that you send this SMS from your registered mobile number, right? And it can't be, even if you try sending it from some other number, because that number is not registered with your account,
It will
there's
not be
nothing
able to read it anyway.
there's nothing that's going to happen, right? You're not going to get that automatic WhatsApp message saying, "You're welcome to Emirates NBD, you're now on chat banking." I'm sure people will be disappointed when they see that, right? So it is from your registered mobile number, which of course has to be your preferred number. So many times what we have seen, of course, is the customer's preferred mobile number in our records is not their mobile number, is their landline number.
So what do we do in this case?
So you reach out to our contact center, right? Tell them that I want to change my preferred number to my mobile number, so that then I can make use of this cool chat banking which Emirates
So
NBD
as
has
soon
come
as
out
it's
with.
changed, then we can go to WhatsApp and we can opt in using the SMS text.
Absolutely.
And you
Okay.
see, even what happened now during the demo, because this last 4 digits were not associated with my account, I did not get any response. So now anyone out there trying to get the last 5 transactions with this number, which I typed in, if it's not yours, you will not get
A response.
to know.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's another question from Instagram, says, can live users use this service too? I think that's a very good question.
Yes, it is. But today, unfortunately, it's only available for Emirates NBD customers and Emirates Islamic too.
Oh, okay.
And Emirates
So both of
Islamic
them can
too.
use it.
Yes.
Okay, great. So if you have any other questions, please let us know as well, and we'll attend to them. So I have actually a question, which is, you mentioned something about the WhatsApp 2-step verification.
Yes.
So this is the using the text message, correct?
So WhatsApp 2-step verification is a security feature provided by WhatsApp.
Oh,
right?
So, okay.
So typically now what happens is I get a new phone, right? Just take a scenario. I get a new phone. Of course, I want to use my WhatsApp on that phone and not on my old phone. And it's a very good practice to make sure you activate WhatsApp on the new phone. And if you're discarding your old phone, wipe it, right? Wipe it. You're not going to share your personal messages, contacts, and WhatsApp details to somebody whom you have sold that phone to, right? Or given it to somebody. So yes, register on the new number. And when you do, there's an SMS that comes to that number. So what if somebody did something and registered my mobile number with the ISP, and now he's trying to do this WhatsApp banking registration? Of course, they can then register WhatsApp because the number is theirs. It's not with you anymore. And then they would be able to get into WhatsApp and then find out your account balances and your card transactions and account transactions. So WhatsApp has a feature called 2-step verification, just like you would do on your Hotmail, Gmail. So if I also have this registered mobile number of yours with me, when I try and register for WhatsApp, I'm prompted for a PIN.
Yeah.
Right? Where does that PIN come from? You would have to go into WhatsApp security settings and then enable 2-factor authentication for WhatsApp also, and then set up this PIN. So now this PIN is only what you know. So somebody has your mobile, somebody can register WhatsApp, but before the WhatsApp gets registered, they also have to type that PIN, which they don't know. Of course, don't save that PIN in your notes and other
'cause we all know that's
applications within that
dangerous.
phone. Yes.
Yeah.
Keep it in your memory.
Okay, great. So what if someone actually gets access to my WhatsApp somehow?
Yeah.
So what do I do then? Do I ensure that my chat is still secured?
So the only way somebody can get access to your WhatsApp is if you give the phone to them.
Yeah.
Of course, if you're not locked your phone, please keep a PIN on your phone. And if you give them that PIN, and then they get access to your WhatsApp. See, in iPhone, only if you enable it, there is a fingerprint validation even to check WhatsApp messages on the fly. But that's not come yet for Android phones, right? So it's in the pipeline from what we know. But till then, if you're giving your phone to somebody, please make sure that you are watching them, right? And this is important, right? They could be reading your other private messages, not just Emirates NBD.
Because in the end, right now, it's only a piece of information.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, as of now, you're just doing inquiry-based transactions, right? It's not payment transfers. So, well, that way, but I wouldn't want anybody to find my account balance. Also, neither would anybody else, right?
Yeah.
But to that level, yes, it's just informational, but still.
So any other security tips you want to tell our users today to keep an eye out for?
Yes, of course. I mean, apart from just WhatsApp, right? It's also your mobile. Make sure you patch your phone, right? There's this different security issues that keep coming out because you're using the open source Android or iPhone. Everybody has patches, including your PC. So patch your phone. That's number one. Number two, always keep a pin, right? If I just like we just did, right? Because there's a demo phone, you just swipe up, it's unlocked. Bad idea, right? Face recognition, fingerprint, pin, pattern. Pick pick one, but you need to keep that, right? So that nobody can just unlock your phone without you knowing. Don't install apps from just anywhere, right? Use your official Play Store or Google Store, Play Store, App Store for iPhone, and use only those apps. Try not to install apps which you really don't need, right?
Yeah.
Just uninstall them.
Yeah.
I have apps which I have not used for 6 months, uninstall.
So always keep your phone fresh when it comes to apps as well.
Absolutely.
Always keep a check about what you have on your phone, because a lot of times we install things and we forget that we even had them, so we always need to refresh our phone.
Absolutely. And there's
Great.
features now in the phone which tell you, these are the apps you have not used for the last X number of days. Helps you, right?
Yeah, that's a good way to keep track as well. So we have another question from LinkedIn. This is from Mahsen. So is it possible to register 2 different numbers for WhatsApp and text messages?
It will,
Okay, you go ahead.
unless it will not be possible, because again, every Emirates MBD customer has only one
registered
mobile number
Right.
under their account. So even if you're using multiple phones, multiple numbers, unless these multiple numbers are registered against 2 different accounts, you will not be able to.
So always just keep one account, which is your registered and preferred mobile number.
I believe he tries to ask that can I use 2 different numbers at the same time actively for chat banking via WhatsApp in Emirates MBD. That's
Would that
not
be
possible. No.
Only one.
You can only be active with a single number.
Okay, so just keep one number. Another question from LinkedIn, is there any plan to make use of this service to do more money transfers, for example, in the future?
We do have, of course, we do have a roadmap in plan. We are not going to release the services today, reveal the services, but
We are constantly working on the enhancement of our product, and this is just has been launched a month ago.
Yes,
in the beginning of
so
March.
it's fairly new.
Fairly new, and now we are observing, listening our customers as per their needs. We will define and enhance our WhatsApp chat banking via WhatsApp.
Personally, I've tried it and it's very, very useful, because for me, I don't like to go on mobile and online banking every single time just to check how much I have in my account. So this is actually a very useful way. So actually, we have another question which is very similar. Is there any plan to make use of this service to do money transfers in the future, like connecting with Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies? Interesting question.
Exactly, brilliant. But we don't have such a service. Within
So
the
it's
bank at the
basic
moment.
services for now.
So yeah, Bitcoin is not regulated as of now. The cryptocurrencies are not regulated, and we can only do regulated currencies as per the central bank mandates, right? So not in the recent future, at least.
Okay, great. So if you have any other questions that you may be interested in asking, please ask us throughout the session. If it's not in this session, you can always get in touch with us on social media, and we will try to also answer your questions right after. If you have any other questions related to any other topics, please reach out to our social media teams on our social media handles as well, and we'll attend to those. So basically what we're gonna do right now is we want to invite you guys to come to chat banking via WhatsApp. Please try it out. Let us know your feedback, let us know your thoughts. We're always looking for ways to enhance it and keep it going and doing better. So please let us know, and thank you for tuning in to another episode of Ask Emirates MBD. Next time we come around, we're going to be introducing a new topic, we're going to be introducing newer colleagues, and we're going to be discussing more topics. Thank you.
That's great. Thanks, guys.